Every piece of wood really is truly unique with different grain patterns and coloring. It's kind of like a fingerprint of that particular board or tree. Even the same boards within the same tree are gonna have differences. And so kind of treating each board individually, picking out the best portion of it to really get the character out of it is really important to us. We kind of hand-pick each piece that we're using to really make the most amazing looking finished product. I co-own Beneath the Bark with my brother Nate. We live in Southeast Portland, but our shop is in Boring. 90% at least of the work that we do comes in as custom pieces. So it really depends on what the client wants and has in mind. We do everything from bedroom sets to living room, dining room tables and benches, countertops, islands, do just smaller pieces. We've always kind of been interested in like building little projects for ever since we were little. My dad would always help us with some scrap wood around the house. He was always kind of building around the house and stuff too. And then it just kind of grew from there. Took some wood shop in high school, got a little bit more involved with the builds and things and just learning more about structure. And so whether it's just a small side table or a bigger bedroom set or custom metal framed anything, we're gonna put everything that we have into it, and it's gonna come out as good as we can possibly get it. People understand that, and I think that they really do appreciate that.